So we stopped for a picnic. Mom made us a picnic of jollof rice and fruits and veggies. We picked up Inky.
There's like my shorts.
Made her shorts.
I have a before picture if you want to see what it used to look like.
Cool. We look like this. We're almost in Chicago. We have like a little more than 2 hours left to go. And it's a beautiful day. Oh, let me put on my sunnies. Actually,
Mommy, let's bounce.
The sun is not out. It's just been raining everywhere.
Cloudy.
But it's still warm. Thanks. I was in the mood to eat Burger King, but my mom, I didn't know my mom packed a picnic, so we had rice. But I still have that like taste for, like I want to taste Burger King. Hey guys, so we made it to Chicago and we're in a hotel room. There's my little baby. Hi, mommy. Mommy, say hi to your fans out there. They like you.
Yeah, people liked you after that last time.
Yeah, all the people always comment on the videos talking about you.
What did I do? I never see anything.
Because you never watch the videos.
Oh. Okay.
Why don't you subscribe? Subscribe to my channel. Hey guys.
Is it dark? This is light. And
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Hey guys. Yeah, so we are gonna go visit my uncle because we have a lot of
I'm just taking this
family. Well, we have family that lives here in Chicago,
outfit of the day.
and a lot of our family is coming from all over. So we're gonna go meet them now and meet at my uncle's
I have
house.
my water.
So I'm excited. Yeah.
Hi guys, outfit of the day. So these are my ombre distress shorts that I made from pants from the Goodwill. And this is a tank from Target. And this little bag is from TJ Maxx. Sandals from Payless. It's my outfit.
Nice. So we're on our way to my uncle's house.
Huh?
Let's go! Yeah, I don't know if I explained why we're here in Chicago, first of all. My mom's hometown, Umuoji. Umuoji! Yeah, so for my mom's hometown convention this year it's in Chicago, so we're here in Chi-Town.
Where is the key?
I think I have it in my bag. I have it. Does you here? Hold it. So don't be on my name.
What I have on is a new line of
Mommy, don't get lost.
new line of hair that I'm going to be carrying on my page on the site soon. I know it's been down, people have been sending me emails, but it's going to be up. It's a new type of hair. It's more for 4C type of girls, 4B, 4C. It's more kinky. The curls are tighter and smaller. So stay tuned. You guys are going to love it. That I made, I use a new cap base now, and you can put it in a high ponytail, high puff, whatever you want. And I don't have any of my hair left out right now, so, and it still looks good. So it's one. So yeah, I lost my train of thought, but okay. I don't have any hair left out in the front. And one thing I like about the way I construct this type of wig, which is a 3/4 wig, it's not a U-part wig, it's a 3/4 wig, is that I only need to leave a little bit of hair out right here in the front, but you can keep it twisted as I do right now, and it looks completely fine. So technically you don't need to leave any hair out, but you know, sometimes I do if I want to, you know, throw it back.
And I'm still rocking my ombre braids. Everyone's been asking me to do a video, you know, like styling like my braids, and hopefully I can film a video this weekend. I don't know, but I'll try to film a video because I do have a lot of good stuff. Oh man, I forgot my paper. But I do have a lot of styles that I can do. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Kenny.
Hi, everybody.
What happened to your arm?
Oh, yes, I forgot. You grew taller. Look at you.
Hi, Auntie.
Hey, sweetie.
You talk about 4 months.
Yeah.
He grows every day.
Yeah, he does.
He grows every day.
No.
Wow.
This auntie is my mom's sister.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been working on it. Everybody kept on telling me I was fat. So
No, you look fat.
No, you look good like that.
I didn't want to look too chubby.
Yeah, you need like something in between.
Is it because of the
I started
surgery?
running when I got on.
Maybe because of that, right?
No,
Instead of the food, you just calculating here.
Oh my god.
Good.
Ken boy. The Ken boy. I'm one of my sorry.
why?
My hagen is I put oh, you're looking good.
Thank you.
You have to give me your sandals.
There's some
Then what
payless.
are you gonna do to your own?
I'll trade you. Yours look
No,
better than mine.
the your own is better than mine. Put the roll on you for
I know, right?
The Kunu store. The best special one.
I know, right? Well, when you leave, you just
Okay.
I'll tell you our room numbers.
Okay. If it's your size, you can take it.
What size is it?
You can try it. 10 or 11. But what I keep somebody makes some size.
What size 11 he
But I'm not sure more 11 one.
That's fly.
Are you excited for the weekend?
Yeah, you know.
Did you see yourself in our other? You do you subscribe to our blog?
I should, right?
Yeah, you were in the other vlog, Kenny.
I read a lot of your blogs, you know. African Peace, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on it.
You were in one of the vlogs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where
Anyways,
y'all coming from?
we drove from Ohio.
How much gas did you put in the car?
My mom.
You put the gas on it? Bro,
I won't take it.
Yeah. We went for free.
What you say? Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
Where did you get that? I like the coral. Oh, I have earring for this. So
You do?
I have earring that will go with this.
Well, I
I'll
was at
show
my
you
place.
together.
They were in Canton.
Yeah, we went to we picked up in Key.
Yeah, I live like 3.5 hours away.
So, party they were in the MC. They
Yeah,
are
bet.
building things, trying to renovate things in their house for tomorrow, and they are behind.
Anyways, yes, you should subscribe to our channel, my channel, watch our vlogs, and read our blog. Because you were in the other vlog.
What was I doing?
We went to Ingo's wedding.
Yes, but what just pictures or what?
No, video.
Videos?
Yeah.
Oh,
But you like the Pirates? This is Pittsburgh Pirates.
Pittsburgh, that's where y'all at, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got ESP, so I decided to buy it. I don't know, I like the Pirates.
Okay.
Actually, I like the Cowboys, tell the truth. I'm from Dallas, Texas. Yeah.
You like Pittsburgh?
No.
But he's wearing a Pittsburgh Pirates
That's why I
hat.
asked.
I got a lot of hats.
Wait, the Pirates? Is that the hockey?
No, it's the baseball.
Oh. You like baseball? Oh, you like the Pirates?
I like your shirt, Kenny.
But yeah, I love this shirt. Walmart, $5.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
5 miles per hour, y'all.
I didn't know. Let Junior know, because Junior.
Yeah,
Let me see your ring.
Junior's like, I only wear Nike.
Hit up Walmart. I'm
Wait,
not
what kind of
married.
belt is this?
It's McDonald's 50-cent belt.
What?
Wait, why are we do that again?
Spinners. This is the real deal.
Wait, what is that?
Walmart.
What do you mean Walmart?
Everything. My outfit, Dickies.
Oh, that looks
I got it
good.
from Harry.
What is that belt though?
It's my
McDonald's.
50-cent belt.
Why does it? Why does it have McDonald's on it? Is that a McDonald's sticker?
No, it's not a sticker.
It's engraved.
No, you know everybody wears belt buckles in Texas, so.
Oh.
I don't think we wear those in the North.
We don't wear
We
those.
wear those around
Yeah.
Pittsburgh.
People come out with belt buckles like this big.
You have cowboy boots?
No, I'm about to get some though. I got a bunch of shoes.
I want to get some too though, because I hear that when you get good ones, they're like really comfy and like everyday shoes.
Really?
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
can work in them.
No,
If
for
you
real,
do
because you know what's his face wears cowboys.
Yeah.
And he said we have to get the good, not the cheap kind, but the real leather that when you start wearing it for.
We are on our way to practice. We are performing this weekend with the other girls of our group, our Umuoji group. So we're going to Michael's house to practice with everybody else.
UIQ.
Ready? Rotate.
Hi guys.
And Key's outfit. Mommy's outfit. Lauren, can we see your outfit? Wow. Anyways.
Two grandmas close. Yes, the priest to come in.
That's funny.
Grandma, Yeah, you don't want to train it.
We're at my uncle's house, and we're having like all the people coming to the convention are gonna come to our house, or my uncle's house. So everyone's coming now. So the house is like loud. Everyone's just gisting and acting crazy. So far, just families here, like blood families here. The guests haven't come yet. So. Hey guys, so we're on a mission. We were just driving down the street, and this little puppy like ran out into the middle of the road and almost got hit.
I don't know if it's
and it was
behind
scared.
that bush or what.
So we're gonna try to see if we can find it and help it.
I hope it doesn't bite.
That's what I'm saying.
Tries to bite me after I try to save its life. Okay, well it's not in the water. I don't think so.
I think it's by that bush.
But wouldn't it be running around?
Yeah, it would be. Ah! Tree branch got my hurt.
This branch, like,
What are the dog calls? Hey doggy. Kids, I'm gonna slick my hair back because I want my lashes to be long.
okay guys, we're here at Benefit. And
I'll put a little mascara on.
and if he's gonna get, oh, you have mascara?
Uh-huh.
Doesn't look like it, but anyhow, if he's gonna get individual lashes, well, depends what kind of mascara you're using. She's gonna get individual lashes.
They're $1.
How do you feel?
You're really close to me.
Oh, sorry.
And I plan to like not have much eyeshadow on either, so this will make it dramatic.
Are you gonna do a dramatic lip?
Yeah, I wanted to, because I'm wearing a lilac dress. I either want to do a red lip or like a purple lip.
Okay, so if you just got done with the lashes, let's see them. Should we zoom in? We vlog yourself. Okay.
I finished my lashes.
Should have vlogged this way. To my eyes. This side. Can't even see if I can see my eye.
Yeah, right? You can even go, I would go a smidge darker, but it's up to you.
Let me see, Inky. You want to go darker?
Can I look at the big mirror?
Yeah, of course.
It's like a-
yeah, sometimes the lights are over there.
Inky's getting her eyebrows tinted.
These look really good. So like over here, is that like what is gonna happen there?
That's just the glue. So it's gonna get anything for you.
Oh no, I'm just.
We finished getting our eyebrows done and our eyelashes. And now we got I got sea salt caramel gelato. Christine got her iced coffee. What'd you get, Inky?
He's getting some ice cream. Or...
Look at this.
Seated, please. Whatever your need is, we take care of it. But give us a moment. The Igwe of Umuoji. You're trying to give a speech here. Please, at the gate over there.
The neck. Can you quasi?
I do feel naked.
Hey guys, we're about to perform. Here's our outfits. Dance outfits of the night. Show us something, Christine.
Let me show you some embryonic swag. Just kidding. This is what embryos do.
I'm excited to meet everybody. That's what I hope.
Like at one point you just stand here and just do this.
We have to go. We have to go.
I don't know that thing. Okay, I do. You just believe in yourself.
I believe in myself.
I need more water. More water.
Yeah, we are going.
It's do or die time. Embryonic.
God. It's time to
Let's go.
I'm nervous. I'm not hyped.
If I'm behind
High school musical. Hi.
If I'm at the high table the entire dance, don't be alarmed. Coming at you.
She's gonna be the one making us all money.
I should do that from the I'm scared.
They'll actually go crazy about that.
I'm nervous. I'm so nervous.
At the end of the day, it's another people, so happy people, so.
Will you call me?
At the end of the day, I'll be back there doing the
No, you give it back to me like iPhone.
Oh, baby. Okay, we're not talking to your mom.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Forward and backward. On your fire. Una ramito. On your fire. Right? Oliver. Ụmụ nwaanyị nwere egwu a larụ egwu ọ dị ọfọle nke a bụ egwu ịchafụ ọcha egwu a dị ọmarịcha mbọ na amụga happy to be married into Umuoji families. Yes. Of your mother.
This is how it is right after a performance.
I want to get everyone to start saying embryonic. It's coming to the streets near you. Embryonic 2013.
Embryonic 2013. Hey guys, so our convention is over and we are on our way on the road back home. But we'll be back next week for Christine's mom's party. Did Christine leave? Yeah, Christine left. Christine's brother is coming back with us to Ohio because he lives in Ohio.
So the car's gonna be kind of tight.
Yeah, I noticed. I like looked in like the third row. I'm like, there's no third row.
Brother?
This is Christine's brother, CJ.
Man, it was way back. You know, I was pretty small.
He went to the bathroom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is key.
Is this for the vlog?
Yeah.
Vlog, hey, shout out to the African queens, the divine ones.
Your Majesty,
not the other ones, the
Queen
divine
Bee.
ones.
We all in the house.
Shout out to being African. It's gift and it's curse.
What? All right.
Brother. I don't know what you're talking about. Curses.
I mean, it could be good and it could be bad.
I didn't think about it.
Be careful.